The ultimate purveyors of anthropomorphism, the attribution of human characteristics to things that aren't human, are the people who believe that humans aren't drastically different from animals, and who even believe that animals are superior to humans. There is a simple reason why humans are totally different from animals. We have language and thus consciousness, and they don't. Consciousness is a cosmic game changer. That's what allowed humanity to escape the niche existence that applies to every other species on Earth and become masters of the world. Consciousness freed us from particulars and gave us access to universals. On Earth, only humans interact with universals. Only they know what they are. Stupid people are highly anthropomorphic in their outlook. They cannot believe that what's going on in the human mind is completely different from what's going on in the animal mind. That's because they are unable to distinguish between consciousness and sentience. Animals are sentient but not conscious. Humans are both sentient and conscious. For some reason, animal lovers find that idea repulsive and actually accuse those who advocate this position of being anthropomorphic, which is exactly what they're not, since they're not imposing human traits on animals. That, however, is exactly what animal lovers are doing. What the animal lovers are actually trying to say is that those who say humans are special, unique, on this planet, are anthropocentric, something completely different from anthropomorphism. In fact, what is being argued by those who highlight how special humans are is that humans have made a leap to consciousness via conceptual language, which no other animal has managed or looks capable of managing. Language-mediated human consciousness, giving us access to universals, is the greatest power on Earth, not some lame property to be dismissed as a mere trifle by people with fluffy pets. Getting to the point. Yevgeny Zamyatin said, "A point contains more unknowns than anything else. It need but stir, move, and it may turn into thousands of curves, thousands of bodies." Everything is produced by the flowing point. The flowing point's essential mode of motion produces sine and cosine waves, the fundamental units of existence, the fiber and fabric of reality, the syntactic information carriers, and also the semantic information carried. There can be no Cartesian substance dualism between syntax, form, and semantics, content. They must belong to the same system, a dual aspect monism.